feathers. And remember, one day it'll be us who are the flavor of them. Ooh, what am I saying?
Goodbye. Oh, and if you ever find yourself near the duckyard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm. Stay cheerful. See ya. Ribbit. Ribbit.
Now what have we here? A nice plump little duckling. Watch it, my beauty! It's no use you struggling and honking. I've got a family to feed, and you'll make a fine Sunday roast.
Honk! Honk!
It's colder than a penguin's picnic out here. Now where'd I put my knife? Darn, must have left it in the car.
Hello, Ducky. I see the macrame class has paid off.
You again. How did you find me?
Oh, a little bird told me.
Well, you're too late. I'm going to be eaten by the people.
What a waste.
Even if you did help me to escape, you'd only eat me yourself.
True.
Well, you're not going to get me.
Now there's my knife.
Oh no, he's coming back.
Listen, Ducky. I think I have a proposition which just might satisfy us both.
Well, I don't like oranges if that's part of the plan.
Look, if you come with me, I'll take you back to the farm. You could see your mother again for one last time.
Either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Quick, make up your mind. She's coming back.
No, right. You're on.
And remember, no funny business. This way, at least you get to see your mother again.
Well, curdle the cream on my cornflakes. He's escaped.
Back to the duckyard. We seem to be going round in circles.
Shut up! It's the snow. It makes everything look the same.
A blizzard with some surge and good king runs his life when not dropping their good
I can't do the other but me.
Is that it?
Oh no. My baby. No, not like this. Not after all this time. You poor little thing. It can't end like this. It can't.
Nor minds, my dear.
But he's dead. My baby duckling is dead, and it's all my fault. He wandered away from the nest last spring, and I should have gone after him straight away, but I had his brothers and sisters to rear, and now it's too late.
Cry, my dear, for the warmth of a mother's tears can fall as stony as frost.
If only I could believe that.
You must, for what do we have if we don't have hope?
Of course you do. Now go on before I get all tearful and unnecessary.